have here today, well, you might recognise it anyway, is a sensor bar from a Wii controller gaming console. Unfortunately, this particular example has been chewed up in a couple of different places by the family pet, and what I'm going to have to do now is trace it along and find a decent section, cut that and rejoin it and see how we go. Let's get to it. Take it apart, you actually need a tri-ring screwdriver. These are easily to obtain off eBay. You need them to take apart anything Nintendo related, Game Boys, whatever. There's also some hidden screws underneath the adhesive strips at either end, so just be mindful that you get those as well. Not much in the cable really, insulation and 2 enamelled wires. You can see they've been cleaned back so I can actually solder them into the circuit inside the sensor bar, but not much to it, very rudimentary. Okay, here you can see we've soldered the wire back on again to one end of the LED strip or sensor strip. There's actually 2 of them in the device, and the cable's been securely attached. So all I have to do is put it back together and give it a test. There we go, completely reassembled with a somewhat shorter lead than original, but at least it's an original component. These aftermarket ones of these are available on online auction sites for relatively a few dollars, up to about $15, but they're not original, and you don't know how it's going to behave. I mean, it could be fine, but I wanted to stick with the original if I could, and it's really just a 5-cent fix for a $10 item tops. So we'll just see how it goes. Nothing ventured, nothing gained, and at least I won't have to wait for the shipping on an item coming from the other side of the world. Alright.